Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. This is going to be how to make it so you don't have to open up the macro manager to make a keystroke or a hotkey for this macro or for that macro that I just did in part 1 and 2. We're just going to go over what this macro did. We're going to press start and a little window comes up, and it comes up with 0.25. Our squares are 2 inches, 2 by 2. So now we're going to make them 3 by 4. How cool is that? Now, to do that and have it a hotkey for it, click on it, right click on it, and assign a keyboard shortcut. Because it's in your macro, you can align it, and we're going to put the letter R and see what happens. We don't want R because that's a line right. Let's go Control R. That's repeat. Let's go alternate R. There's nothing for alternate R. We're going to assign it. We're going to say OK. Now, without this open, we're going to go alternate R, and that window comes up. So we're going to make them this time 1 inch by 2 inches. How cool is that? So please watch at least part 1 to figure out how to get that macro from Mr. Brewer from Engraving Concepts and how to load it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.